So unajua guys, mimi na nyinyi we are same like, and this is it. Hello, hey my people, hey my Vantos. This is Nesura Pauline. Today, before I say today, guys, karibuni sana, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Nataka kuonyesha what I'm going to do tonight. And ni usiku, imagine guys, washing my or doing my dishes. Nilienda sokoni guys, and nikaenda kwa duka fulani hapo inaitwa Beverly. Yeah. And then tutadu unpacking. Is it unpacking ama? Hello my people. Sasa, this is a different day guys. I remember I had recorded a video yesterday. Nilishoot video nikiwaonyesha vile I'm doing some of my house chores. So nilikuwa na mjuni, of course nilikuwa nafanya na mjuni. I had no one to assist at that time. By the way, nilikuwa tempted kutumia hizi vitu before niwaonyeshe, but nikasema I must show my people. Na ni pin location. Location ni Zion Mall hapa Eldoret town, Eldoret CBD, I think so. Ni Eldoret CBD, Zion Mall ile moja. Ukiingia tu ndani you will just ask for direction. Utaambiwa it's called Beverly. It is an online shop. That's why I got my kitchen there. So naanza na kuonyesha what we call stainless pots, cooking pots. Ndio hizo guys. So ubaya ni eti nilifungua wakati nilikuwa na hiyo iga. Si unajua ile yenye uko iga kujua what's this. So ili msiseme eti nawadanganya, let me just show you the box. So this is the thing guys. This is the thing I went for. Is it not good looking from the outside? Hebu tuangalie ndani tuone chenye kiko. So guys, the box itself imeandikwa 10 pack. 10 pack meaning si eti ni sufuria 10. It's not like they are not 10 pots, but it's 10 pack because they have packed for you, I guess. They have packed for you 6 lids ama vifuniko. And then we can count together guys. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm confused guys. 4, 5, 5 lids. Sorry guys. They have packed for you 5 lids and 5 pots. So these are the lids, each well packed guys. Hakuna vumbi utapata hapo after we buy a pot. And then guys, so hii ndio pot. Sorry, nilikuwa confused. Ile ni pot, ile ni lid. So hii ndio sufuria yake. Hizo sufuria sasa ni 5 sufurias and 5 lids. I think that's why they call it 10 pack. Juu sufuria they are not 10, the pots are not 10. So in the inside here we have this. Guys, these things here that you are seeing, unaziconnect wapi? Unaziconnect kwa lids. Nitawaonyesha. Acha niwaonyeshe sufuria and then I'll show you how you do it kwa lid with one sufuria or one pot. So this is the what? Is the sufuria guys. Let's get it out. Tuone vile inaonekana. Let me put them aside. Maybe I will need them. So this is the pot guys. Stainless. Really stainless. And the company by the way, Kaisavilla. Your box, the company, I think that is the name of the company. Kaisavilla with the logo, with the lion, with the logo of a lion. So see, this is how the sufuria looks, guys. Is it not mwah? Huh? Is it no good, guys? And the quality guys, the quality is so good, guys. So that is the logo, I think, of the company. That there is the word Kaisa Villa, but of course you will see it upside down because of the way I am shooting the video. So this is how the pot looks. I'll show you how you close the lids, guys. So this is how the spray looks. This is the smallest, by the way. This is the smallest. And then we have the second one, guys, the one that follows that smallest. Let me put them close together. And then we have this one, guys. It's the third one from bottom. I call this bottom because it's the smallest, the one that follows, and then the third. And then this is the next one, guys. This is the next layer. I don't want to remove these ones yet. I'm going to remove them, by the way, at the end of the video. So this is the one that follows the third one, guys. You can see the size is just okay. For a family of around 5, it's just okay. It's just okay, guys. And then finally we have this one. Hii ndio ya mwisho, guys. It is so big. I don't want to exaggerate though. I don't want to exaggerate. So it's big, so big that you can cook vizuri chakula ya watu wengi, around 5 and more, around 5 to 7, ama ni mingi zaidi, even 10 people can take a meal of this size. So this is how it looks. So this is the biggest, from smallest to biggest, guys. So these are my stainless pots, or rather sufurias. I don't want to get them out of here because I need to arrange my kitchen. I need to do something about my kitchen before I arrange this. When I'll be doing that, nitawaonyesha, guys. So before we end it, and we are not even going to end it anyway, guys, I promise to show you how to put the lid, how to fix the lid that inatumika kufunika hapa, guys. So kindly niruhusu nionyeshe venye lid inafunikwa, inafixiwa. So guys, this is how you do it. Now I know. So you take this one, you take the lid, and then you put it in here. Unaingiza hapo ndani, unashikilia hapo ndio isianguke. You turn the lid. After turning the lid, you take this one, guys. You put it from the outside of the lid, kutoka nje. You put it like that. Make sure this one inaingia hivi, like this, not like this. So this one, I'm pretty sure that inatumika to strengthen the what, this twisting stuff, this stuff yenye unatumia ku hold. So this is how you put it, like that. So guys, after this has happened, so remember we started by putting the bolt from the inside, and then you put this in this manner. Then this is we have some little bolt here, some bolt remaining at this top. So you take this one, the one that you used to hold, then we have holes there. So you put it in the middle one, like that. Then you just do this slowly, clockwise. I think this is clockwise when you're going to like this, guys. Then you do it clockwise like that until it is well. So let us just do it with you guys. I think you should just let it, you should just place it at the center, or at that small hole. So you let it just swing slowly as it wishes, because if you do it venye mimi nimefanya kwa nguvu kidogo, unapata umekosea ama bolt umeachilia ikafanya nini, ikaanguka. So you just let it pole pole, then you just do that clockwise like that until it reaches a point and unaweza tighten. Now you tighten the whole thing. So after tightening, guys, this is the end result. Look at it. There is the bolt, and that is the inside, and this is what I got. Is it not the same as the one in the box? Let me remove this so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what we have. Is it not is it not the same as this one? Are they not the same? Have a look, guys. I hope you are able to see. This is what is at the box. That's what is there, and this is it. So guys, that's what happens with the lid. So as you can see, it's so easy to hold, so easy to put on the what? On the sufuria, or rather the pot. Let me put the camera well, guys, so that you're able to see. So it's so easy to put this on the pot. Unaeka tu vizuri, and then you use this to hold while when your food has simmered. Maybe you want to open it, you hold this, and that is what happens, guys. To show you what happens now after the lid is well fixed, or rather connected. So you just, this is what happens with your meal. So I think hii ni ya sufuria ndogo, hii ni ile sufuria ndogo kabisa, and this is that second one. So but ya sufuria ndogo iko hapa. So this is what happens. Unaeka tu chakula yako, and then unafunga hivi, guys. Unaona? So chakula yako ikiwa imefunga hivi, hata wewe unaweza feel aje. So I've used the one that ni the second one. So the small one is here, guys. Ama wacha nifanye niwaonyeshe. No, it's the right one. So unajua, guys, mimi na nyinyi we are same, like sisi wote hatukuwa tunajua kuhusu hii sufuria. Even me, I've just done what I can do with my mind, and then nikaona wacha niwaonyeshe, so that nikikosea you will also say hapo umekosea, but I think so far I'm just very very okay. So hii ndio hiyo sufuria yake, by the way, and then I think hapo nimelika steam kanatokea. Yeah. So guys, I'm so grateful. I appreciate for your time, for sacrificing your time for me, your lady, Yasura Pauline, of course, that is my name. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and kindly expect more content from me. And until next time, kama kawaida, bye.